Hey guys, this is Bruno Matos from More the Computer Sales and Repairs here. We're going to be doing the unboxing of the mighty Gigabyte Windforce RTX 3070. As you can see, straight from the box, it comes with 4 years warranty, but you need to register it online within 30 days of purchase. And okay, so we're just going to jump right into it. We already unboxed a Zotac 3070 last week, and now we're doing this Gigabyte. So we're trying this new angle with the 2 cameras. We'll see how that goes. Okay. An envelope. Ooh, mysterious. Okay. Quick guide, and this is just saying that if you register it you get the 4 years warranty. So yeah, at least with the Zotac we still got some stickers. Okay, so let's get this out of the way and let's jump into the graphics card. Damn, that's heavy. Where do I have this thing with the credit? Yeah. Okay. That's a monster. Right, so comparing these with the 27 Super, which is a triple fan as well. This one is a bit bulkier, just a tiny bit, I would say maybe like an inch or two. Comes with a protection thing that the Zotac didn't. The Zotac didn't bring this either. This one does. What else? What else can we tell from here? It's nice and simple, really, from this side. Nothing really interesting. I still don't like how they shape these fans, but I guess it helps in some way. So we just have to put up with it. And then from the side, you can tell that the Gigabyte, it's RGB, so it's gonna light up. I can't really tell if any of the fans will though. I guess once we power it on we'll see. So you have 8 pins plus 6, the Zotac at 8 plus 8, the 2070 at 8 plus 6 as well, like this one. So yeah, nothing new there. And I guess that's it. Let's see if there's anything else, but I don't think so. No, that's about it. Very simple unboxing video, really. Doesn't bring any cables or any adapters, no stickers, which is quite a bit disappointing, really. But hopefully what we spend on this graphics card, it will all be worth it. But yeah. Right guys, as always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, it helps a lot. And it keeps you informed every time I release a new video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.